Hi, looking for any investment plans in mutual fund but don't know where to start? Then I would definitely recommend you to watch this video completely. In fact, I can start with or I can help you create one such investment plan today itself. And what is this mutual funds, security, liability, stock markets, and so on? Let me tell you. This is a huge field, and if you're really interested in such business, then it requires ample amount of time, your effort, dedication, and money. And as a beginner or as an average person, how can I make use of it? I'll let you know today. What we have to know is mutual fund is nothing but it collects money from different investors and invest in stock market, and the plans that they give us are based on high risk high income, low risk low income, and medium risk medium income, and different combinations of this. That means if the risk of losing your money is low, the gain also will be low. So as a beginner, you can always go for something which is medium risk and medium income. I'll let you know how. And who all can invest in such mutual fund plan? Anyone can. If you're already earning, great. And if you're already investing in such plans, then make sure you select ELSS plans or some plans that gives you tax benefit, so that we can have a two-way benefit as well. And if you're not earning, like if you're a housewife or if you are a student, then I would definitely recommend you to go for such plans, because these plans provide you to invest with minimum amount of rupees 100 only. So as a beginner, you can always start investing. You would definitely get pocket money per month, right? So saving rupees 100 or 500 per month would not be a big deal. So you can easily start with this. And based on my research, I have got to know that you can, if you're planning to invest huge amounts, go with advisor. The main work of advisor is to learn and study what markets are performing, and in the same way guide you when to invest, when to withdraw, and so on. And if you're definite that you want to invest in plans like, say, Aditya Birla, DSP, or Axis, you can straight away go, log into their portal, register yourself, and start with the plans. But when you are planning to invest in multiple plans, logging in into each portal and checking on what's happening, management would be a little difficult. So you can go for third option, that is some apps. There are multiple apps that help you invest. Today I'll show you one such app where you can manage and maintain all of your plans at one place. And also, you don't have to sit and Google and research or come up with an analysis and select a plan. These apps do it for us, and they will present you top 10 plans, among which you have to select one and start investing. So with this information, I will show you how we can start.
So this is the app that I was talking about. It's an ET Money app which you can easily download from Play Store. And once you download, create your profile with your personal details, your PAN card details, and your bank details. So once you fill all those details, it looks something like this. And there are many other options. So first, let's talk about mutual funds. So this is the option. You can click on it and you can see how many plans which is divided into easily understandable by the any user, and we can start selecting the plans. So first let's see, at the bottom you can see there is SIP starting for rupees 100. We have also for rupees 500, and there are many other plans. So what I will do is I will select top tax saver ELSS funds. At the top you can see that the lock-in period is mentioned. So let me select first one here and check what is the return. So the return goes in minus, because due to this pandemic probably this 1 year wouldn't make any profit. We can go for 3-year plan and see what are the returns. It is 5.8%, and for 5 year it is 8.9%. So also you can see the returns is high and the risk here it is low. You can compare all the plans, and top 10 plans are analyzed, and this app is helping you by listing them, and it is listed based on descending order on returns. So suppose I select invest now for the first plan. You can either click on monthly SIP or invest one time. So I would go for monthly SIP, and minimum is 500 rupees in this plan. So I'll select that. I'll select the date on which I want the amount to be deducted every month, and until I stop, I'll make it for a definite of 5 years. So with this, I register SIP. I already have some plans going on, and it is asking me if you really want to start with new SIP plan. Otherwise, it would be only yes for a new user. You can click on that. And now here you can see my bank detail is already displayed here. So now there are two steps. Only adding your bank details and registering for SIP wouldn't help. What will happen is every month the amount will be deducted, but then it will reverse and your plan will be cancelled. So the first thing is profile creation with your personal details, PAN card, and your bank details. Next is confirm and register your SIP. And the third step that you have to do is you have to confirm OTM. I'll show you what OTM means. So if you click on confirm SIP, immediately you will get an message on your registered phone number and your email ID. So since I have already plans, I will not confirm it. So once you confirm this, your investment and registration of SIP is done. Next step is OTM. I will show you. Since I have already done confirmation of OTM, I will not be allowed again, but I can guide you with steps. Like once you have added your bank details and registered with your SIP, next is confirm easy pay would be given for you. Once you click on that, there will be a form sent to your email ID, as well as it will be available in this app. You take a printout, sign it, and upload it back properly. Once it is done, this app will in turn contact your bank and verify and get confirmed on the same. Once it is confirmed, it will activate your easy pay. So the day that you have selected to the amount to be deducted will be easily deducted every month. So those are the steps. You can easily go through FAQs if you have any doubt. So this is how you register your SIP in very simple way. Other than that, there are options like pension scheme. It gives you different kind of plans. You can go through it. Also there is term life plans. You can go through it. And we have some options like smart deposit and gold deposit. Smart deposit is nothing as it is similar to your savings account that you have in your Citibank or any other bank. And gold deposit is nothing but you do not buy physical gold, but you invest, you buy gold, like shares of gold, and you sell it and get the profit. So if you want me to go in detail with all those options, you can let me know in comment section. I can do that. And also you can have option of free credit score and others loan, but from private bank. So I would recommend you to download this app and just explore this app so you can get to know more about different kind of investments and different kind of plans that we have. So and quickly let me show you my investment, how we can just have a look. So you can see here that the blue line is something that my plan is performing, and you can compare with other different kind of plans that we have here. So it's that simple. And you can go to my holding. Under my holdings, you can select view investments. Here you have two very nice options. That is, you can modify your amount and the day of SIP that you have selected. You can just make changes and save. It is simple. You don't have further confirmation or any other hectic work involved. So it's that easy. Also, if suppose you want to skip investment for the next month, you can easily click on this option and click on OK. It's that easy and simple. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to know, if you have any doubts, you can easily contact the customer care. They respond very easily. And I'm not doing any kind of promotion here, but I really genuinely like this app, and that's why I thought why not share with it others. And if any kind of question or if any kind of information you require, please let me know in comment section.